Hello, and welcome to another Hextom tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at Vimotia, but more specifically, we're looking at how to publish videos. So let's go ahead into our Videos tab, and we can see we have our two videos, our sun hat video and our water bowl video. We're going to be publishing these two videos in two different ways. Let's start by clicking Publish on the water bowl video. We can publish on the home page, a product page, a collection page, or a blogs or pages page. We're going to choose the home page. Okay, great. Now we're on our home page video configuration page. And we can see a preview of our video button right here in mobile. And we can also see the preview in desktop. The most important configuration to change is our button position type. So currently it's floating on page, but we're going to be picking attached to a page element. And as you can see, I'm highlighting different elements, and we can attach our button to these elements. So we're going to be selecting the first image on the carousel. And there we go. Now that we've clicked, we can see our button is on the carousel. And we're going to place it here at the top left. So let's look at more configuration options. We could change the color, let's say to orange. We can have the text on the button with the time of the video with the text, or we can have just the text or just the play button. Or we're going to keep it with only text. We could change the text on the button, the size of the button. And if we click Show Advanced Color Configuration, we can customize the colors on the button more accurately. Well, now that we set up our desktop button, let's go over to mobile. And the reason why we need to customize both individually is because the layouts of mobile and desktop are so different. So for mobile, with the button position type, we're going to use float on page, and we're going to place our button somewhere up here. And the only remaining configuration we're going to change is we're going to set the color to orange. There we go. So we finished the configuration for this video on both mobile and desktop. Let's save and publish. Now we're ready to click Add New Video on Page. So this is our second video player. As you can see on the page, we have two now. Now let's select or import a video. We're going to pick our sun hat video, and we're going to start in desktop. So the first thing we're going to do is change the button position type. Let's choose Picture in Picture Pop-up. So now we have a circular pop-up image at the bottom right. Now let's go ahead and customize it. So currently it's round. We can make it square, rectangular, or vertical rectangular, but we're going to keep it at round. We could put the position in the left side. We're going to keep it on the right. The button text, the button size, as well as the text color. But for this video, we're going to add more configurations. So first, we're going to link the video to a product. So link product. So we're going to search for our sun hat. There it is. And okay. There we go. Now our sun hat video is linked to our sun hat product. Let's also go ahead and edit the widgets. So the first widget we could see is the Add to Cart widget. And we could see the video preview with it enabled and disabled. Our content type is message, saying buy it now, or we could have a countdown timer. We're going to stick with message. Our color template is red. Our add to cart click behavior is go to cart page. The text in the add to cart button is add to cart, and our stock countdown threshold is 100. This means that if the stock of our product is under 100, it will display the product stock. But we can disable this by putting a 0, and we can customize the colors further here. Now the next widget is the discount pop-up. Let's enable. Vimotia will automatically create coupon codes for every unique customer. And currently it's creating a 10% discount, or it could be $10 off. Let's keep it at percentage. The discount expires in 30 minutes. And if you don't want it to expire, you can set this to 0, or we're going to set it to 15 minutes. And we have the coupon pop-up appearance configuration. We can change the background color, the text color, the title, the coupon text, the button text for applying the discount, the expire text, the close pop-up text. This pop-up will be closed in a certain amount of seconds, and the pop-up trigger. So the coupon will pop up when the video is exited, or we could set this to a delay. So after 5 seconds, the coupon will pop up. And we can also click Show Advanced Text Configuration, allowing us to customize the text a little bit more. Great, now our widgets are all set up, and let's click OK. Now just like our other video, let's set up our mobile version. We're going to be setting our button position for mobile to be also picture in picture, and there we can see at the bottom right. And we're going to be keeping our configurations the same. And we don't have to go into our linked products or our widgets because those configurations are the same for mobile and desktop. So that means our second video is completely set up. Let's go ahead and save and publish. Now if we go to our videos tab, we can see our sun hat video is publishing. So let's wait for that to finish. There we go. Our videos are done publishing. Now let's go look at them on our store. Okay, great. On our store, we can see our first video button, and we can see our second video button. And for our first video button, because we attached it to the element, when we move the carousel, the video button stays with it. So let's watch our first video. Perfect. Now let's go back and click on our second video. Here's a preview when you click on it, and let's click on it again. And there's our discount. And remember, our discount pops up after 5 seconds. And we can see our add to cart widget. And of course, that's for our sun hat because we're watching our sun hat video. So let's go ahead and apply our discount. And let's add our product to cart. Here we got our $9.99 hat and our coupon here for 10% off. So it's only $8.99. Let's go ahead and check out. Great, our discount's working. So let's go back and check out our videos on mobile. Okay, great. So on mobile, we can see our 2 video buttons. Let's go ahead and click on the first one. Great. Now let's go back and click on our second video. We get a preview and we click again. We can see our add to cart widget and we keep playing and we can see our coupon. Perfect. Everything is working on mobile. And that should be everything you need to know for publishing videos onto your homepage. Well, thank you very much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.